Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the ORDBRIDGE token. Now the ORDBRIDGE token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. There's two different tokens. One is has the ticker symbol BRGE, and then we have the wrapped BRGE token, which is wBRGE, and this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange tomorrow, December 21st. We're going to go over the information on ORDBRIDGE and how you can get this token in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token, the wrapped, bridge, BRGE, we could just say it stands for bridge, but it's not spelled out wBRGE. So just be aware, ticker symbol is wBRGE. This is the wrapped bridge token. It already has 3,522 holders, so they're doing very well. 18 decimal places on this token. And there is a max total supply of 193,344,999 tokens. I think the initial amount, yeah, there it is, 210 million tokens, so it looks like it's a deflationary token. So this token here is a bridge between BRC-20 and ERC-20, providing a gateway to liquidity for BRC-20 tokens. So although ORD is in the name, just be aware that this token is on the Ethereum blockchain and looks like the BRC-20 blockchain either now or coming soon in the future. And this project is going to serve as a bridge between both networks. So this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting December 21st at 11 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol wBRGE, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So they have a web page, which is at ORDBRIDGE.io. They also have a Twitter at ORDBRIDGE. I'm going to put that up right here. And they have a Telegram at ORDBRIDGE.fi, F-I. On the webpage, you can also find a white paper or a document section. It'll take you over to ordbridge.gitbook.io. So ORDBRIDGE is the first ever bridge enabling users to transfer BRC-20 tokens from Bitcoin native chain to Ethereum chain and vice versa. It is an innovative and permissionless way to bridge that revolutionizes the transfer of BRC-20 tokens across multiple chains. Users can effortlessly and securely move any BRC-20 tokens across chains, opening up new possibilities and expanding the reach of BRC-20 tokens. So the purpose, ORDBRIDGE serves given purpose enabling seamless cross-chain movement of BRC-20 tokens, providing users with flexibility and accessibility, providing deep liquidity to the otherwise relatively illiquid market of BRC-20 tokens, creating a gateway to the BRC-20 ecosystem for users who are unfamiliar with the BRC-20 interface and marketplaces, And the benefits: by utilizing ORDBRIDGE, users gain access to a range of benefits and advantages, enhanced liquidity for current BRC-20 token holders, fostering a vibrant and dynamic ecosystem, open up avenues of multiple types of token exchanges like order book, AMM, pick and choose on Ethereum chain, and tap into a fully developed portfolio of decentralized applications, dApps, also associated with the ERC-20 token ecosystem. For example, token lock for team tokens, lending, borrowing against blue chip BRC-20s, and many more. So how it works: ORDBRIDGE facilitates the secure and permissionless migration of BRC-20 tokens to ERC-20 tokens. It achieves this by leveraging transfer inscriptions of the BRC-20 protocol and utilizing smart contracts on the Ethereum chain. So they have a whole section here about the bridging process. So first of all, I mean, it goes in more details, obviously, on their white paper if you want to review it, but there's the token transfer process. So they go BRC-20 to ERC-20 transfer. They show you how that works on their page if you want to actually do that, or vice versa, ERC-20 to BRC-20. They have the technical overview components of it, the architecture. They talk about the implementation of the user interface, verification and validation mechanisms like block confirmation, prerequisites, required software and tools, transaction fees and gas, and then the security. So then they have troubleshooting, frequently asked questions. If you want to learn all about that, you can check that out. Now, on their web page here, if we go over to their actual web page, which is ORDBRIDGE.io, you can actually use the swap, the bridge, I guess, if you want to call it a bridge. They have Connect Unisat wallet, or you can connect your MetaMask, and it shows you how to do that. They have a contact email in case you need to do that on their page. And then they go through how does this work, all this type of stuff on here. Now, if you want to have new updates, you can follow their socials here. So we can pull up their Twitter if you like. They have a Discord group here, and they have a Telegram. So the Twitter here has the blue verified checkmark, 282 tweets. I'm going to put it up right here. Has a full link tree, all sorts of links on there. Has the contract address to the wBRGE, the wrapped bridge token, if you want to check that out. They just joined in May 2023 on Twitter, so this is a brand new project here. And yeah, they have the MEXC global announcement on here. They have all sorts of info on their socials here, and then their link tree has links to an audit if you want to check that out as well. All their socials, Medium articles are on there. They might have a new Medium article here about, let's see how many Medium articles they have here. They might just have one so far. Yeah, introduction so far. They have information about the token. So, how it works is the one with the ticker symbol BRGE, that's the one on the BRC-20 blockchain. And then the one with the ticker symbol wBRGE is the one on the Ethereum blockchain. So yeah, that's how you bridge between both. Differentiate by just one is the wrapped Ethereum token. Yeah, so that seems to be about it. If you want to review more information, you can. Medium articles seem to have a bunch of info on there as well you could check out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day. Peace out.